Welcome to our guide on decorating your outdoor space with budget-friendly landscaping ideas. In this video, we'll explore creative ways to utilize affordable components to enhance your outdoor area. Let's start with the basics. Mulch, gravel, and pavers are versatile materials that can transform any outdoor space. Use mulch to cover soil, retain moisture, and suppress weeds. Gravel is perfect for pathways, driveways, or as a decorative element. Pavers can create beautiful pathways, patios, or borders in your landscape design. Now, let's talk about greenery. Sod or seed is essential for establishing a lush lawn. Consider using native plants and perennials, which are not only cost-effective but also require less water and maintenance in the long run. Shrubs add structure and greenery to your landscape, while raised garden beds provide a defined space for gardening. You can easily build raised beds using inexpensive materials like untreated lumber or concrete blocks. Create vertical interest in your outdoor space with DIY trellises. These structures provide support for climbing plants like vines and can be built using wood or metal materials. Don't underestimate the power of recycled materials and container gardens. Utilize salvaged items like old bricks or pallets to add character to your landscape. Container gardens are perfect for small spaces and offer flexibility in plant arrangements. Define your garden beds and pathways with edging materials like plastic, metal, or stone. Incorporating decorative rocks or boulders adds texture and visual interest to your landscape design. Create a focal point in your outdoor space with a DIY water feature. Using inexpensive materials like preformed liners or repurposed containers, you can add tranquility to your garden while staying within budget. Lastly, illuminate your outdoor area with solar lighting. These energy-efficient lights are perfect for pathways or accent lighting, adding ambience to your landscape at night. And don't forget to set up a compost bin to recycle organic waste and enrich your soil naturally. With these budget-friendly landscaping ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of beauty and tranquility without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rawfhome.com.